So I'll tell you the story. Actually, I only got involved in social media less than 2 years ago. I had zero social media presence whatsoever about 2 years ago. And how it came about was, I had a LinkedIn account for about 10 years, and I had, logged on to try to search some people, and I noticed that on the news feed, there was something had changed from the last time I'd logged in, probably a year or two before that, which was that there was a lot of original content, either videos or people just writing long text posts that seemed very intriguing, very interesting. And it kind of caught my eye, as opposed to people just posting or sharing articles, from the Wall Street Journal or whatever that used to be. It was actually people writing, their own story or writing their own ideas or sharing a video with original thoughts. And that to me was totally new. I'd never seen that before on LinkedIn. And I think it was brand new to the platform at that time, about 2 years ago. I started following a guy called by the name of Eli Hochberg, right? Hochberg. He's a digital marketer. He's an incredibly smart young man. And he was doing something at the time called the 30-day social challenge, which was kind of leveraging the fact that LinkedIn had shifted from being just a place to post your resume and to get a job into becoming this social media engagement platform. He was leveraging that to teach people how to actually do that. And he challenged people to post every single day for 30 days. And he provided education, different types of posts. He told you all about how the platform works, etc., which to me was all news to me. It was all new. I'm a very fast learner in general, and I think my greatest skill is to be able to pick up new ideas or new things very quickly, integrate them very quickly, and act upon them. So I took this, and I just literally within like a week of logging into LinkedIn, I saw this. I saw a couple other people posting this 30-day challenge thing, and I'm like, hey, let's go for it. Let's see if it works. From there, I realized that my business, what I do, and I work for a very large national company, Madison SPECS. I'm not a individual. I'm really an entrepreneur, if you will, because I work for a very large company. Within that, I figured, hey, what am I doing to try to drive business more? In this niche service of cost segregation, what I found was that I'm spending most of my time on calls or on meetings, just educating people about what this is. And I realized that the best way to educate people is if I can do it on a larger platform as opposed to just, on individual calls, individual meetings. So it kind of fell in my lap, an invitation to a podcast by Adam AAA Adams out of Denver, Colorado, the Creative Real Estate Podcast, incredible podcast. And he invited me, to share my, what is cost segregation. So I went on there. And I was just like a natural at it. I have a background in teaching, so that's really where, I have that ability to teach and to give over interesting concepts and keep it engaging and keep it that people want to listen. And I loved it. And I just literally got on, a number of invitations after that. And since then, about a year and a half ago, I've been on about 50 different podcasts just teaching about cost segregation. That's kind of the story behind it. The background story and how I started getting involved in using LinkedIn as a platform to connect with other people, to engage them, and to share this knowledge that I have, but at the same time adding value on multiple levels.